Hi, I'm Miss Kathy. I'm the Children's Librarian at the Miami Township Library. And today I would like to share with you a fun STEM experiment that you can do experimenting with bubbles. All right, so the first step is making our solution. We are going to use 1/4 cup of a liquid dishwashing soap such as Dawn or Joy or anything that you happen to have at home. And you can also use liquid laundry detergent if you have that more handy. We want to use 5 drops of light corn syrup. Now, if you don't have a dropper at home, 5 drops equals about 1/8 teaspoon. If you don't have corn syrup at home, you can look up bubble recipes online and you can substitute sugar, glycerin, or vegetable oil for the corn syrup. But look up those recipes for the right amounts. And then you want to use 3/4 cup of water. Okay, you want to mix those 3 ingredients together, put them in a container, and let them sit overnight. That's the hard part. You want to wait that long because that'll make stronger bubbles for you. All right, are you ready to test out our solution? Here we go. The first thing I'm going to use to test is a store-bought wand. Oh, that made a very nice bubble. Excellent. So you might not have a store-bought wand at home, and that's okay. That's actually great. It's more fun to make your own wands. You can make wands out of pipe cleaners. You can also use a metal coat hanger that you shape and cover with string. Make sure an adult helps you with that. I'm going to start out with my circle homemade pipe cleaner wand. Oh, it made a bubble. It just didn't get off the wand. Very good. All right. I'm going to try now my triangular wand. Do you think that using a triangle wand will produce triangle bubbles? Let's find out. Nope, the bubble actually ended up in the bubble liquid. It is still a circle. I also made this fun shape. You can make any shape that you want with your bubble wands, as long as you connect the end and make a full circuit. Do you think that that shape is kind of close to a circle? Do you think that will make a circular bubble? Looking like it's going to be a circle. Let's try it again. That's a circle. So actually, bubbles, we've got all kinds of bubbles in here now. Bubbles are always circular, and there's a reason for that. If you'd like to make an hypothesis about that, then go online and look up why is a bubble round, and you'll find several good YouTube videos that will explain that to you. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with something called surface tension. All right, you can also experiment making bubbles with household items such as slotted spoons. Let's try this metal spoon. A little bit harder to make bubbles with. I kind of got a bubble on the spoon. Let's try this slotted spoon that is plastic. Ooh, that made a big bubble. Right on the spoon. I've also got a cookie cutter in the shape of a pumpkin. You can experiment using metal cookie cutters. Doesn't really hold the bubble solution very well for me. I wonder if a rubber one or a plastic one would work better. Our very last bubble wand we're going to make is a giant bubble wand. You can make that out of 2 straws and some string. Now you want to make the string 4 times as long as one of the straws, so measure that out, and then thread the string through and knot it, and the string through the straws rather, and knot it, and it's going to make a square like this. And let's see what we can do. Can we make a giant bubble? Ready? Ooh, it didn't go airborne, but it was definitely a bubble. Awesome. So you can experiment with that more, and maybe if you do it just right, you'll get a giant bubble to go into the air. All right, I've got one more thing to share with you, and that is a bubble breath. And this is a bubble that you don't need any solution for. Ready? Make a giant bubble up over top of your head. Now make a medium-sized bubble and put it in front of your face. Now make 2 small bubbles and put them in front of your eyes. Now take one of those and get ready to blow a bubble. Ready? Here, we're going to do a deep breath. Breathe in. Up and pop your bubbles. That's a great thing to do if you just need a deep breath throughout the day. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your day.